everyone, and welcome to another video brought to you by Hattie Shack. In this video, I'm going to go over a social blockchain project not a lot of people are talking about, and I believe is going to blow up in the next couple of years. This project is called DeSo. It is a social blockchain project that is strictly based on social media. And instead of like your normal social media like Facebook, Instagram, and all that, you actually earn from every single post. You don't have to get monetized. You don't have to do any of that. And there's a lot more to it. That's not just it. This is an amazing project, and I think that no one's talking about it because big social platforms are afraid of stuff like this. So let's look at this website, and then after we look at the website, I'm going to show you some of the apps that this blockchain project has, and I'm going to show you why I think big social media is going to be scared. So when you get to the DeSo website, deso.com, you'll see this. They just updated their website too, so it kind of slows your computer down because there's a lot going on. So when you get to it, it says the social layer of crypto has arrived. DeSo is the first layer 1 blockchain built from the ground up to decentralize social media and scale storage-heavy apps to billions of users. Let's go, see what else is going on. Yeah, another good thing about this is you can buy DeSo on Coinbase, which is one of the biggest exchanges there is. A lot of people use Coinbase, and the problem with a lot of social platforms and a lot of blockchain platforms is that it's hard to get these tokens and it's hard to get this crypto. So the main good thing about DeSo is it's very easy to get and it's very easy to use. As you can see here, it shows you all of the different exchanges, different people that are sponsoring it, different people that are investing in it. Because you can't really sponsor it, you just invest in it. The first blockchain that can disrupt social media. So that's what I'm talking about, dude. That's why you don't see it. You know what's so funny is when you try to post about these platforms on things like Facebook or Instagram, your posts get taken down. Which, isn't that funny? Because they do not want this to get out there. Facebook is already dying. So this is just the next step. Over the next couple of years, we're going to see some major changes. Not in only social media, but in finance, stocks, everything. And the more we go, let's check it out. The only blockchain that can power storage-heavy applications. Social applications generate a lot of data, and existing blockchains are not equipped to store and index that data. DeSo unlocks the next frontier for blockchain infrastructure. DeSo was built from the ground up to scale one of the biggest untapped markets for blockchain, social media. It's 100% open source and 100% on-chain permissionless data. This is groundbreaking. I don't think people even understand crypto. I don't think they understand how big this is going to be and how much this is going to disrupt everything. Not only social media, but finances, everything, dude. So, you can see their website's pretty slick. DeFi blockchains are finite state. Finite state apps like DeFi use blockchains that can only power storage-light, finite state applications where data and storage stay constant with each transaction. With this approach for social, every interaction, post, like, follow, etc. would cost you 15 cents plus, which is not acceptable. The DeSo blockchain is infinite state. Infinite state applications generate new data with every transaction that has to be stored and indexed. For example, social apps generate data with every post, like, follow, etc. DeSo is the only blockchain that can power next-gen applications like this. So compare this cost of storing 200 characters less than a tweet. So on DeSo, you pay a very small fee. Cardano's 15 cents, Solana's 27 cents, Ethereum is $78. That's ridiculous. But hopefully with the Shanghai update and all the other stuff they're doing, I'm hoping that will change Ethereum. I have high hopes for Ethereum, don't get me wrong, but it is old and it definitely needs to be upgraded and we will only see what happens in the future, but we have platforms like this that are going to take over. Let's go to the next thing. So content stored directly on the DeSo blockchain. All profiles, all posts, threads, and comments, all private messages between users, all likes and follows, all social token activity, all social tipping activity. So as you can see, everything is stored on the blockchain. So that could be a good thing, and that can also be a bad thing. So if you enjoy your privacy, then this might not be for you, because everything is connected, everything is categorized, everything is stored. Just remember that when you're sending your next private message to someone. So get through this. This just shows you how many transactions have happened so far. So we've gone through all that. So let's go and see what they have to offer. Discover the next generation of social media. So as we go on, it'll bring us to the apps that it has on its platform. So there are a ton of these apps. But what's cool about this is every one of these is a decentralized version of an already created platform. So they have Diamond, which is a decentralized Twitter. They have Open Fund, which is a decentralized fundraising platform. And Decify is a decentralized social mobile platform. There's more too. We'll get to that here in a second. So these are censorship resistant. Content is stored on the DeSo blockchain, so you can own your content like you own Bitcoin. Decentralized identity. Your profile, followers, content, and social graph carry over across hundreds of apps throughout the DeSo ecosystem. Own your content. Your content is controlled with your public-private keys, and you can use end-to-end encryption to prevent any middleman from seeing it. Monetized. This is what I was talking about before. You're monetized from day one. You don't have to reach a certain amount of followers. You don't have to reach anything. You start earning with new primitives like NFTs, DAOs, crypto tips, social tokens, and so much more. And you can build your own app on DeSo too. I haven't really looked too much into that. Maybe I should. Here's a full list of all the applications they have on this social blockchain project. So they have Diamond, like I said, Decify, Open Fund. They have the Social World. That's a global social network. Experience. Yeah, so it has multiple languages across any country around the world. Here's DeSo Chat Protocol. It's decentralized Telegram. The DeSo Wallet. There's so many. Pearl is pretty awesome. It's a decentralized Instagram. They have Story, which is a decentralized TikTok, Snapchat. They have NFTs, which there's no fees to mint your NFTs. And if there is, it's like ridiculously small. You can't even tell. Zirkles is a decentralized medium, which I had a couple problems with that website. It was hard. They did an update, and it was hard to figure out how to post. All you could do was schedule your post, and even though I scheduled it, I couldn't post it. So I might need to go back to that and try to give it a try again. But I liked it when I was using it for the first little bit until that update happened. Then I was starting having problems. Pineso's decentralized Pinterest. It's ridiculous, dude. You have to get on here and check out all these different applications they have. It's crazy. So now let's go into Diamond. I'm going to show you Diamond. And I might throw in a couple of videos of the other platforms that are on the phone, like Decify and Pearl and Story. I'll put those in throughout the video so you can see what they look like, and I'll label them so you know what you're looking at. So let's get into Diamond. Diamond is a web version. on your browser. So that's why I'm going to get it on here, and then while I'm doing that, I'm going to show you the videos from my phone while I'm talking about Diamond. So when you get to Diamond, it's going to be diamondapp.com. You'll get to an area like this. You can set up your profile, which you're going to want to do. And when you sign up, you're going to get a seed phrase. Make sure you write this seed phrase down and keep it somewhere safe. Do not keep it on your phone. Do not keep it on your computer. Write it down. I promise, dude, you're not going to regret that. If you keep it on your phone or your computer, the chances of you losing your keys and someone getting them are extremely high. You might not think they're high. It's extremely high. So be careful. Write it down. So when you get DeSo, you can go to your wallet and then send it from your Coinbase, whatever wallet you have, send it to your wallet on here. And at first when I did that, I had a little difficulty trying to figure out how to do it. But once you figure it out, it's pretty easy. I'm going to show you. So here, you can scan your QR code so you can send yourself DeSo. Or you can, where's the other one? There's this up here in the right hand corner. Let me drag it over a little bit. So there, right? This is your public key right here. So copy that, put it in your wallet, and then you could send your DeSo over. And it literally takes like 2 seconds. That's another great thing about this crypto. Okay, so after you do that, you can go over to, you'll have to, of course, you're not going to be known at first, so you want to get out there, use what you deposit to interact with people and to get your name out there. So you're not just trying to make money, you're also trying to make a name for yourself, if that makes sense. So when you find a post you like, you're going to go, they have these, this is comment, you can share the post, you can like the post, there's also a bunch of other emojis you can choose from, and then this is where you tip, and this is where you'll get tipped. So when you post something, someone else can do this for you. So if you really like the post, you can tip all the way up to $46, which that is a lot. And maybe in the future if you make it, you know what I mean? But as of right now, I suggest just tipping 1 or 2 cents per post and leaving a comment. And then once people see that, they're going to go into your profile and look at you. So make sure your content is interesting and worth looking at. So yeah, and then that's it pretty much. There's a message area so you can talk to people. Your wallet. This is where you can see all of the coins you own, all the people you've invested in. So another thing, that's one thing I almost forgot to talk about. So when you create a profile on this platform, you end up creating your own coin. So I have a coin, Hattie Hats coin. That coin's price right now is worth $9.74. So if someone wants to buy one of my coins, they have to pay $10. And as you can see right here, this 10% FR, that means that anyone who buys your coin, so if someone buys one of my coins, I'll make 10% of their buy. So then you can make that up to 100% if you want. I suggest you don't, because no one's going to want to buy your coin. You want to make it enough to where you earn a small amount and other people want to invest in you. And this is why I say make your content worth reading and worth looking at. No one will invest in your coin if you're just posting ridiculous stuff. So here, if you click Creator Coin, you can see all the people that own your coin. So as of right now, I own 8 coins. Someone else owns 5, almost 6 coins. Then 1.5 coins, 1 coin, half a coin, and so on and so on and so on. So altogether, I have a total of 17 coins out there, which I hold the majority of, but that's just because I believe in myself. But that's worth $174 at the moment. And I think the price of DeSo is going to skyrocket in the next couple years once other social platforms start tanking and people start realizing that it's not worth the time anymore. So as of right now, DeSo's price is $9.23. Very undervalued, I think. People don't understand the importance of this technology yet. I think once they do, for the people who already knew, it's going to be amazing. For people who didn't know, it's going to be too late. That's why I make these videos, so maybe more people will realize that this is not a joke and this is the future. And the more you know now, the better you'll be off in the next 5 or 10 years. So before I end this video, I want to show you a couple of the decentralized platforms that they have. Like, we're going to go over the ones I want to show you is DeSify, because that's the phone version, which everyone has a phone, so easy way to get to check out your page and see everything going on. It's hard to tip on there, but other than that, it's pretty awesome. So we'll go over DeSify, Pearl, Story, and NFTs. The rest, well, we can look at Zirkles too. The rest, though, you'll have to check out yourself. I haven't really gone over the rest of these. There's a lot to go through. So we're going to start off with Zirkles. That's what the website will look like. And I'm hoping as time goes on, they'll upgrade and it'll get a little bit easier to use, because at the moment, it is not that easy to use. DeSo was only created just a couple years ago. It's actually pretty crazy, the story behind its creator. DeSo blockchain was created by Nadar El-Nahi. Hopefully I said that right. If I didn't, you're still amazing. Who started working on the project in early 2019. Nadar's interest in crypto started in 2012 when he mined approximately 23 Bitcoin on free campus electricity while studying computer science at Princeton. Pretty crazy. So it is extremely young. 3 years, 4 years. So we are still seeing the baby version of all of these platforms. So Zirkles I'd check out. The NFT area for DeSo. And like I said, it's free pretty much to create your NFTs. So here, I have these selling for 0.05 DeSo, 0.1 DeSo. These are just my featured ones. I mean, you can have a ton. These are all the ones I have created. These I've actually drew these to. A lot of these are created by artificial intelligence, you know, which everyone seems to be doing now. So I wanted to try, when I do make NFTs, I wanted to try to make them from me, you know. But the price of minting these is 0. So you don't have to worry about Ethereum's high gas fees or anything. DeSo is the future of social media, NFTs. I think it's the future of pretty much everything, dude. It's going to be crazy. So let's go on to the next one. The next one is called Story App. You can post short videos, and anyone on the DeSo blockchain that uses the platforms on here will see your posts and can tip you, like it, and end up following you and buying your creator coin. They call this one the decentralized TikTok. Watch out, TikTok. Alright, next one is Pearl. Pearl is still in its testing phase. I literally just got allowed to use the app about a week ago, I think, and it is pretty awesome. Easy to use. Yeah, it says Pearl is where you have the right to do you. No ads and no secret algorithms here. Just the freedom to create, connect, and earn. I know people are afraid of change, but you gotta admit, this is pretty awesome. Okay, so last but not least, we have DeSo. Welcome to DeSo. Your keys, your content, your freedom. DeSo is the first and most utilized decentralized social media mobile app built on the DeSo blockchain. Here you and only you own your data and your content. You can download it for Android or Apple. Recreating social media. Freedom and privacy, post to earn. For the first time in history, you can earn directly from your posting high-quality content. Monetization of your profile, posts, images, and videos is in your hands. Ad-free. Crazy. So I suggest anyone that is getting into crypto or getting into blockchain technology to look into social media, because social media runs our lives. Literally all day, every day, you're checking your Facebook, you're checking your Instagram, and you don't get anything out of it but just, make your brain feel better, or to know what your friend is buying, or, some crap, dude. It's all crap. All of it is crap. This is a way to change social media. And this is my own personal belief, but I think that social media is dying. And that these platforms are the revolution of social media. It's going to change the world. Once the truth comes out of how much data and how much stuff these companies are stealing from you, it's going to change everything. And this is what's going to be there after it is all gone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time.